Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing assets and defining the project's canvas so you can work without interruptions. First, pick the aspect ratio and frame rate that match your destination. This avoids re-rendering later. Then import photos directly from folders or your camera roll and group them into a new timeline. Once done, trim unneeded images and order them roughly how you want them to appear. Make sure to save a project file immediately so you can recover progress if the app crashes. Now you refine the sequence by adding motion, transitions, and color adjustments so each photo reads as part of a single story. Use keyframes to animate position, scale, and rotation. Ease your keyframes so movement feels natural. Then insert transitions between photos and tweak the length for rhythm. Once done, apply global color correction or selective filters to match lighting across shots. Make sure to preview in real time and reduce heavy effects if playback stutters during. For the final steps, you set export parameters and create the finished video so viewers see your intended quality. Select resolution and codec, confirm bitrate and container, then run a short preview render to verify audio sync and motion. Once done, export to a local folder or cloud backup and inspect the file for artifacts or size issues. If the export fails or quality is poor, clear the app cache. Lower the bitrate or render the project in smaller segments and combine them afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.